Yes, this is from, again, check yourself 3, page 60. Here we have logarithm base 3 and logarithm base 75, but here the arguments are 3. So we can write this formula. Firstly, logarithm base AB is equal to logarithm base BA. So here argument and for the terms logarithm 75 and 3 can be written like logarithm 335 times logarithm base 3 75 can be plus minus logarithm base 3 45. It's going to be equal to times logarithm base 3 675. It should be okay. If we write in terms of 5 and 3, because the here 135 when you factorize, it's going to be first see 3, it's divisible by 3, yes, it's divisible by 3, and when you divide by 3 it's going to be equal to 45. When you divide by 3 it's going to be equal to 15. When you divide by 3 it's going to be equal to this expression, it's going to be equal to 5, and when you divide by 5 it's going to be equal to 1. Or 75, it's going to be equal to, when you factorize 75, so instead of 135, I forgot to say that one, 135, it's going to be equal to 3 cubed times 5. 75 divided by 3, it's going to be equal to 25 times 3 it is. That's why it's going to be 25 times. Here you may divide by 5, it's going to be equal to 5. Again 5, then it's going to be equal to 1. And 45, you know that one here, this part is same with 45, that's why it's going to be equal to 3, 3 and 5. I'm not going to continue to that one. 675, it's going to be equal to, when you divide by 675, it's going to be 9 times, when you divide by 9 times 25, and it's equal to 225. When you divide by 3, again this is also divisible by 3. When you divide by 3, it's going to be equal to 75. When you divide by 3, it's going to be 25, and after 75, you know, it's going to be 5 and 5 again, 5 and 1. So here all these numbers, when we check all these numbers, 135, it's going to be logarithm base 3. 135 is equal to 3 cube times 5 times logarithm base 3 times 5 squared. This is 75. 3 times 5 squared minus logarithm 345 is equal to 3 squared times 5 times logarithm times logarithm base 3 675 is equal to 3 cube times 5 square. It should be okay. Then I'm going to separate this expression. Let's say this expression, it's going to be equal to logarithm base 3 cube plus logarithm base 3 5. I'm going to write in bracket because this term here, it's going to be different here when I'm going to write. It's going to be equal to logarithm base 3 plus logarithm base 3 5 squared. It's going to be then minus logarithm base 3 squared plus logarithm base 3 5 times logarithm base 3 cube times logarithm base 3 5 squared is going to be, if I get the powers in front, 3 logarithm 3 plus logarithm base 3, 5 times logarithm 3, 3 plus this is equal to 1 actually. I can write here, it's better to write 1 I think here. 1 plus 2 logarithm 3, 5 minus 2 logarithm 3, 3 plus logarithm 3, 5 and times logarithm 3 logarithm 3, 3 plus 2 logarithm 3, 5. As I see, all the terms, they are written in terms of logarithm 3, 5 and logarithm 3, 3. So logarithm 3, 3 is equal to 1 and logarithm 3, 5, let's say it's equal to a. I'm writing this one. I'm giving one value for easy operations. So this is going to be equal to 1. So this is 3 plus a times, it's going to be equal to 1 plus 2a plus, minus 2 times 1. This expression is going to be equal to 1. 2 times 1 plus a. This expression is a times logarithm 3 times 1. 3 times 1, that's 3 plus 2a. It's going to be here. We can write directly 2 plus a times 3 plus 2a. Now, if I multiply these terms, 3 times 1 distribution rule, 3 times 1, 3, plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6a, and a times 1 plus a times 2a is going to be equal to plus 2a square. Now 2a times minus 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 2a is equal to 4a. 8 times 3 is equal to plus a. 8 times 3, 3a is going to be, and 8 times 2a is going to be equal to 2a squared, it must be. If I rewrite here these expressions, is going to be equal to logarithm base, not logarithm now, I don't have logarithm, 3 plus 7a plus 2a squared minus 6. 3a plus 4a is equal to 7a, so minus 7a minus 2a squared is going to be here 2a squared and 2a squared, it's going to simplify each other. Minus 7a and plus 7a, it's going to simplify each other. The answer is 3 minus 6, which is equal to minus 3 is going to be.